Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with Beny Rabuchin with New American Funding, and we were talking about minimum amounts that you need to put down on a jumbo loan, which obviously here in Orange County, with prices being where they are,
Sure, very
come
relevant.
into play a little more often.
Yeah, very relevant topic. Over the years, ever since 2008, when the banks kind of recovered from this big mess, they slowly have been coming out with some new products. Fortunately, we have some excellent products in that jumbo space that don't require 20% down. I think that's one of the bigger misconceptions. You can buy a home up to a $1.7 million sales price and do a little down as 10% down.
Oh, wow.
So those of you looking in that jumbo space, ask your lender about those products. There are several products between 10 and 20% down that will offer a great interest rate. It doesn't mean the interest rate's going to be worse. It's just structured a little differently, but you can get into a house with 10% down doing a jumbo loan.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Amazing, right?
Yeah, that's great. Well, great. Thank you. Great information. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, thank you for joining us. And Beny, thank you. Good information.